Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to use AnyDesk like a pro, including remote support, unattended access, file transfer, remote restart, and important security settings. Whether you're helping family members, managing office PCs, or working from home, this complete beginner guide will help you get started fast. First, open your browser and go to the official AnyDesk website. Download the Windows version and open the installer. You can use AnyDesk without installing it, but I recommend installing it for better performance and unattended access features. Every AnyDesk device gets a unique address. To connect to another computer, ask the other person for their AnyDesk address. Type the address into the remote desk field and click connect. The remote user must click accept before you can access their computer. If you want to access your own office or home PC anytime without someone accepting the request, you need unattended access. Create a strong password using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Now you can connect remotely anytime using that password. And that's it, now you know how to use AnyDesk like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows, networking, and IT support tutorials.